Hi there everyone, welcome to iPad Essential. Today in this video, we will talk about GoodNotes. GoodNote is one of very powerful note-taking app that I am personally using from many years. I started this with my first iPad, which was iPad Air. It's been almost a decade now. And it's awesome guys by seeing over the year how GoodNote improved itself. It's been an essential tool for me ever since. GoodNote started as an iPad and iPhone app, but now available for multiple platforms, for example, Android, Windows, and macOS. So without further ado, let's see how we can set up GoodNote in our iPad. Okay, so now here you can see we are in our iPad screen. So let's quickly jump into our App Store. And then here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click here on search button and let's type GoodNotes. Here we can see the GoodNote is available. As you can see it here, I already have installed it, so that's why it is showing me open. In your case, it may show like this, which is get. After downloading and installing, here we can see the open icon. Let's click on it. And there we go. Here you will see a clean and straightforward interface with option to create new notebook by tapping here on new. And then from here we can select notebook. Not only we can select notebook, but here you can see you have variety of options. For example, study set or folder, image, scan document. Even we can take image and then can import it. Let's start with the most popular and the very basic one, which is creating notebook. Now from here you can see you have plethora of options to choose notebook cover and variety of paper. For example, here you can go with this square paper or narrow ruled paper, or even you can have, for example, Cornell note. Now let's type here name iPad Essential and then let's click on create. And there we go guys. In this way we have created and customized our first notebook based on our need. And here you will see GoodNote provide wide range of writing and drawing tool. Now from here we can select the pen tool. Here we have got different pen style and colors to choose from. Now handwritten notes inside GoodNote is one of the very best handwritten notes that you can create inside iPad. And as I said, apart from customizing your pen or changing color, here you can see you have so many options available. For example, here we have got this highlighter, which is great for emphasizing the important text. You can also use shape tool to draw perfect shapes. And don't forget to use eraser or Lasso tool for easy correction for moving elements around. Now if I make a tab here, you can see further more options with whom you can play with. You also have option to convert handwritten notes to text. If I talk about new iPad Pro Pencil specific feature, then here if I squeeze it, here we have got option of undo and redo the things. Apart from this, you also have got option, for example, adding these kind of stickers to our notes. We can also write text directly here. And then here you can see you further have option of styling and formatting, with the help of whom you can correctly represent the written text. Now let's talk about importing and annotating PDF. For that, let me just go back, and if I show you here, you can see that I have imported one PDF book here, and now I can actually annotate this PDF. Let me select here my pen, and then I am choosing this red as a color, and then probably I can write here answer, for example here, and so on. And just like in handwritten notes, here also with PDF you can highlight text as well. You can also add comment here by selecting the text, and then here you can mention your comment. And as I said, you can even insert images here. This makes GoodNote perfect for reviewing documents and textbook. Now let's talk about search and OCR features. GoodNote comes with powerful search and OCR features. You can search for keywords within your notes, and even if they are handwritten notes, GoodNote can even search them as well. For that, let me actually go back here, and then here if I click here on the search button and type here writing, and there we go. Here you can see GoodNote was able to recognize it, and since I have highlighted it, so we are not able to see it in a clear way, but let me write it somewhere. Now here let me again click on search, and now this time let me search for, and there we go, GoodNote was easily able to recognize it. Now in order to add new page here, simply you need to swipe it right, and in this way guys we will able to add new page. GoodNotes allow you to sync your notes across all your device using iCloud. You can also export your notes as PDF or images and share them via email, AirDrop or other apps. Collaboration has never been easier. When it comes to premium digital note-taking, GoodNotes and there is one other software that I really like, which is Notability, are the top choices. Both offer robust features, but if you want a more featureful app with a handwritten focus experience, then GoodNote might be the app for you. Now let's talk about some of drawbacks that I felt with GoodNote. One is their pricing strategy. As a consumer, for me, paying one time is good option. For example, it was with previous versions of GoodNote. However, with GoodNote 6, it has now moved on to yearly subscription model, which I personally don't like. Unfortunately, this is also true with Notability, but still you can download it for free and use it with some limitation. As I said, GoodNotes comes with ton of features, and for me, it would be 1 hour video to cover them all. But I think I have covered all major features that GoodNote comes with. So let's wrap up on our GoodNote tutorial. We hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your favorite GoodNote feature, and subscribe to iPad Essential for more such tutorial and tips. See you next time. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.